Welcome to Wales, croeso I Gymru. What you just heard there was a little bit of Welsh, which is the native language of Wales and is the most widely spoken Celtic language today. You might also be surprised to know that Welsh is spoken in Argentina. So in Patagonia, there's quite a strong Welsh-speaking community from where Welsh people travelled and colonised the area in the 19th century. North Wales is home to a village that boasts the longest place name in Europe. It's a bit of a mouthful and it requires some limbering up before you attempt it. In full, it is Llanfair Pwllgwyngyll Gogerill Gwyndrobwy Llandisilio Gogogoch, although we do shorten it for the train station to Llanfair PG. Wales has a long, rich history and has more castles per square mile than any other European country. Most of the castles were built to try and control the Welsh, but we won't talk about that. You may have heard of the Eisteddford, which is an annual art, literature and culture festival and draws crowds from all over the world. And some famous people that you might have heard of but not realising that they're Welsh include Anthony Hopkins, the Hannibal Lecter actor. Mount Everest was actually named after Sir George Everest, a Welshman, and Gareth Bale, the Premier League footballer that was not too long ago the world's most expensive footballer, is also from Wales and we are very proud of him. Thank you for joining us at the 2020 General Assembly for the International Council on English Braille. Diolch yn fawr.